Hey everyone, welcome back to Welding Fabrication World. This is part 2 of our CSWIP 3.1 Fast Track Revision series. If you are preparing for the exam, this session will sharpen your concepts in just a few minutes. Just like before, I'll read the question, give you 4 options, pause for 3 seconds, and then reveal the correct answer with a quick, exam-focused explanation. Make sure you grab a pen, track your score, and test your knowledge seriously, because this is exactly how the real exam feels. Alright, let's jump straight into question 1. Question 11. Which equipment would you choose for safe open-site manual metal welding? Options: A single operator transformer, B. Multi-operator transformers, C. AC/DC composite power unit, D. Diesel engine-driven motor generator. Answer: D. Diesel engine-driven motor generator. Explanation: A diesel generator provides independent, reliable power without depending on grid supply, ideal for remote or unstable power locations. Question 12. Which bend test specimen from a 25 mm thick carbon steel butt weld is most likely to show lack of inter-run fusion? Options: A. Side bend, B. Root bend, C. Face bend, D. Guided bend. Answer: A. Side bend. Explanation: Side bend tests are specifically designed to evaluate fusion and penetration between weld layers. They are most effective at revealing inter-run fusion defects in thicker welds. Question 13. What would be the effect of using an oxyacetylene flame with a long feathered inner cone on carbon steel? Options: A. The weld would be hard and brittle. B. The weld could be too soft. C. There will be no effect on the weld. D. The weld will have undercut. Answer: A. The weld would be hard and brittle. Explanation: A long feathered inner cone, carburizing flame, adds carbon to the weld, producing a hard and brittle microstructure due to rapid cooling. Question 14. Fillet welds need to be blended in by grinding according to a fabricating procedure. This influences options: A. Has cracking, B. Fatigue life, C. Residual stress, D. Yield strength. Answer: B. Fatigue life. Grinding blends fillet toes and removes stress concentrations, reducing the risk of fatigue, crack initiation, and extending weld service life. Question 15. What does BS 499 specify regarding the drawing dimension quoted for a fillet weld according to UK practice? Options: A. Leg length, B. Throat thickness, C. Weld width, D. Actual throat thickness. Answer: A. Leg length. BS 499 specifies leg length as the fillet weld dimension in UK practice, measured from the root to the weld toe along each fusion face. Question 16. A metal is said to have dash when it regains its original shape when stress acting upon it is removed. Options: A. Ductility, B. Plasticity, C. Malleability, D. Elasticity. Answer: D. Elasticity. Explanation: Elasticity is the property of a material to return to its original shape after the applied stress is removed. Think of a spring. Question 17. When hypereutectoid steel is quenched at above its upper critical temperature, the predominant structure will be options: A. Austenite, B. Martensite, C. Trostite, D. Sorbite. Answer: B. Martensite. Explanation: Rapid quenching traps carbon in a distorted lattice, forming martensite, a hard, brittle structure that gives high strength and hardness. Question 18. What does preheating for arc welding apply to? Options: A. Assembly welding only, B. Assembly and tack welding, C. Joints over 25 mm thick only, D. Cruciform welds only. Answer: B. Assembly and tack welding. Explanation: Preheating must apply to both assembly and tack welding. Tack welds are just as susceptible to cold cracking as the final weld if preheat is neglected. Question 19. What would you be most critical of if submerged arc welding is used to make butt welds? Options: A. the root gap tolerance B, the angle of preparation C, the root face width D, the gas cut finish. Answer or explanation. The root gap tolerance. Root gap tolerance controls penetration depth and fusion quality in saw butt welds. Too small equals lack of penetration, too large equals burn through. Question 20. A suitable mechanical test for a component under vibrational loading would be A. Impact, B. Tensile, C. Compressive, D. Fatigue. Answer D. Fatigue. Explanation. Fatigue testing simulates repetitive stress-strain cycles, mirroring real vibrational loading conditions and assessing long-term performance. And that's 10 CSWIP 3.1 questions covered. Part 2. How did you score? Drop your result in the comments below. Let me know which questions tripped you up. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more welding inspection revision videos, and share this with your study group. Good luck in your exam, you got this. See you in the next one.